Hello everybody, I'm Lindsay Silverman and I'm a Senior Technical Manager with Nikon, and I'm here with another terrific new camera called the P6000. I love compact cameras, I love what they can do, I love how small they are, but sometimes I want a camera with a little more control. I'm an SLR shooter and I like taking pictures and I like the way my SLRs work, and if you're like me then you're going to really like the new P6000. It's got 13.5 megapixel resolution, so you've got a tremendous amount of leeway to make large style prints. You've got an interface that's very, very reminiscent of a Nikon DSLR camera, complete with a hot shoe. And the hot shoe now can take Nikon speedlights and do ITTL fill flash, but really what's really neat about the P6000 is it's the first compact we have that can take advantage of the Nikon wireless flash system. So you can use the SU800 Commander on top, you can use the SB900 as a commander, or you can use the SB800 as a commander and get terrific wireless speedlight control with a compact camera. On the back of the camera, if we look at the LCD, it's a beautiful, beautiful, high-quality LCD. And again, the control of the camera is designed to be very SLR reminiscent. And you know, it's a very comfortable control layout that's on the camera. It's got a function button here, which you can control different aspects of the camera. It's got My Menu, so you can put your favorite items that you want to control in the camera. Manual focus capability. You've got a playback button and a menu system. But what's really, really neat besides all that, and the camera has got just super high quality, is that the camera has got a GPS device built into this side of the camera over here. Now, you say GPS, you know, I understand that when I'm traveling in a car, but why is that important in my photography? One is if you're a member of social networking sites like I am, like Flickr. I'm a member both in my own personal work, and I'm also a moderator on the Nikon Digital Learning Center. And if you go on to Flickr today, there is a whole Geo Tagging community. And what people do best on these social networking sites is they share their photographs, they share their experiences, they share their learning knowledge with everybody else so they can get better pictures. Now, what also is shared is where you took the picture from. So if you go to France and you got a really cool angle of the Eiffel Tower and you want to share that information, you can geotag it right in camera with the P6000, get the coordinates for latitude and longitude and altitude. It'll time code right on there, so you'll see what time it was taken and the time zone where you are, because that information is coming from the satellites. And then you can geotag, and all that information gets put onto the metadata, and no matter what operating system you're using, whether it's Mac platform, whether it's a Windows platform, no matter what software you're using, including our own Nikon View NX software, which is great for browsing, or in My Picture Town, which is a great way to offload your images and be safe and tucked away neatly into that site. You've got geotagging capabilities in those areas as well. So it's another fun thing to do with a camera, but a sophisticated camera like a P6000, not only fun, but practical and a great way to share experience with other people.